How to change MetaMask wallet password. Let's get started. First, launch your MetaMask app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, head over to the option security and privacy. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option change password. Click on that. Before continuing, you will need to confirm your current password first. So go ahead and type in that. After you type in, click on confirm. Now you will be prompted to type in the new password. You can toggle on for this option unlock with Face ID. Then check in for the option agree with terms and conditions. Now you can click on the option reset password. Your Face ID will be enabled and your password will be updated. So this way you can easily change MetaMask wallet password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.